So guys, today we're going to talk about Cheelee App, if it is worth it, if Cheelee App is a scam or not. Now, when it comes to Cheelee, there are some things you have to like. If you say Cheelee is a scam, then these are some of the things that might make you feel that way. Number one is if, for instance, you bought a product, a glass from them, and they didn't give it to you, right? Then you can say, okay, this app is a scam, this app is not a scam. Look what happened. I bought and then I wasn't paid. Now, in my own instance, I've had up to like 3 to 4 to 5 accounts with Cheelee because I have up to 2 phones. Yes, I have 2 different phones. So on each of my phone, I have 2 separate accounts. Now, this isn't advisable because at the end of the day, they're going to ban your account. Truth be told, they're going to do it to you because they did it to me also. Alright, so I'm not going to tell you what isn't legit for you to do. This is called legit earnings for a reason. Alright. Second thing is if the payout method doesn't work. Now, as you can see right here on YouTube alone, there are lots of withdrawals on Cheelee. I've made up to like 2 to 3 different videos on withdrawals from Cheelee, how to withdraw for the Cheelee app. Okay, you can go and check them out. These are some of the videos. Now, Cheelee, from my country, from my own personal experience, Cheelee works. Okay, Cheelee works 100%. Now, depending on your payment method, because I mainly use crypto whenever I want to withdraw from the Cheelee app, so it depends on your payment method. That's if it's not working in your country, if they don't have your payment method, then you can as well find someone who is in the country that you can use their payment method. Apart from that, when it comes to the withdrawal aspect, Cheelee also pays. Now, some of you might be thinking that another thought thing that you might be thinking is the reason why Cheelee is a scam is because of the fees. They charge up to 30% as fees. Now, this is normal. Okay, this is normal. Now, you have to understand that this is a business platform, not a charity organization. Cheelee is a business organization. Okay, the way they make money is advertisers place ads on their website, on their app rather. Sorry. So you that are using their app, if you scroll through Cheelee, the first pop-up you will see whenever you open your Cheelee app is an advert. Now, these adverts are paid. They are paid for. So the money they make from those ads, those are the money they are going to pay you a percentage from that. They won't tell you this, but that's actually how it works. They are going to pay you a percentage from that particular revenue that I get from the ad. So Cheelee has to charge some percentage when you want to withdraw as fee, so as to keep the platform up and running. Okay. Now, another fourth reason why most of you may think Cheelee is a scam, because it also relates to the second option, which is having multiple accounts and they ban your account and say, oh, Cheelee is a scam. Cheelee is not a scam if you abide by their policy. It's just like YouTube here. You can't share sex and nude videos here on YouTube and tell YouTube that it's meant for kids to watch nudes. Honestly, they will just ban your account. They are going to strike you, and then if you keep on doing the same, then they are going to ban you. That's just how it is. You can't break the law of a particular platform and you expect them to keep having your other platform. Okay, it's not a charity organization. They are there to make their own money and you are there to make your own money also. So you have to abide by their rules, because why? It is their business. Alright? Now, these are major reasons why I think most of you might think Cheelee is a scam. Now, at the end of the day, from my own honest opinion, Cheelee is not a scam. Why? Because this is a platform that I've used on 5 different accounts on this platform. Alright? I've used up to 5 different accounts on this platform and I've gotten paid on this platform not once, not twice. Okay? Speaking to you currently, I have an account with them and I'm currently earning with them. I have some funds in my account. Alright? So if you watch this far, thank you for watching.